Knock, knock. Who's there? New week. New week who? New week the Ripper. Opening up the monthly time frame right over here, and the monthly time frame. There's a little bit of high blood pressure going on with me. That I don't know. Something bad can happen with Bitcoin as well in the future. You never want to trust Bitcoin in this situation. Okay, you never want to trust Bitcoin. If you start to actually, come down to these levels to like 38,000 in the next coming 19 days, because the monthly is what I'm looking for, you might potentially be putting a nice big whooping bear flag out there to go down to the 17k. Who knows, but this is not going to, we're going to see about it. Okay, we're going to talk about it. Until now, we are still gonna have to actually talk about the resistance and the support level of Bitcoin. Now here we are, and I was on the Discord previously giving you these jokes, and yesterday when we were at 43,094, I did ask people from the Discord what's the name of the encircled candlestick on the weekly. Now some of them do know that it's a bearish engulfing, no, evening star, sorry, even I forgot the name. So it's evening star, and we might wonder now what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Of course, on the weekly, we are bearish. Most of the coins are bearish, okay? And I gave you the technical target in previous videos as well, when we were above, like, up here at the 43,700, that we are going down to this price level of $40,200, okay? So that is a technical target, actually. When you are going like this, you come a little bit up, make a bear flag, and that's a bear flag technical target. I told you, the only way to start to actually pick to the upside is if and only if you go on and cross the flag itself, which you never really cross the flag. Okay, you never really cross that flag. So I'm actually going to open up Bitcoin on the Phoenix chart right now, and there's something that I do notice, and potentially Bitcoin wants to actually make that thing, and I'm going to tell you what that exactly really is. What I'm going to do is just remove all the drawings right now on the Phoenix chart. Let me actually bring back some of the drawings here and remove this line over there and remove that line over here, and we're gonna dive a little bit in the details of Bitcoin. So I do see a repetition of a fractal, something very, 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 very similar. Okay, so you see what happened back in February, 6th of February here, something like this, is I see very, very similar to what can happen right over there. Okay, so what you did here is actually you rally to the upside, you make a little bit of a distribution, you rally to the upside, you make same little bit of a distribution, you came to the downside, make a little bit of a bear flag to the pull up, you went down, make a bear flag, you went down, came a little bit up again, you went down, came a little bit up again. Now you're looking to actually go down like this, and that's the only things left. Boom, boom, and then finally down to this 40,000 to 39,000 levels, and then potentially start to go up. Now if you notice, the microscopic details of this thing is that, can we actually make a descending broadening wedge the same way we did here? Because when you were going like this, you were making a bullish pattern known as a descending broadening wedge. You see that? So which you broke out of, and you went to back test, and you actually start to go to the upside. So on the daily, if I try to actually put it like this way, what Bitcoin was doing yesterday, that pull to the upside maybe is a pull to actually make a descending broadening wedge. I'm going to show you in a minute, and this is how it might look like. Okay, that's the upper resistance that you're looking for, and this is the lower support that you're looking for, something like this. Okay, maybe it's a big if. Okay, it's just a prediction right now. Now that you go down to maybe 40,000 again, you go a little bit up to the 41,000, and then you drop to 39k. And why am I saying $39,000? Actually, that technical target of the bear flag seems to me like I didn't actually give it the right proper way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remeasure again from there to there. This is where you're breaking out of, from here. That's gonna take you all the way to 39,330. 39,330. Okay, now previously, what is this 39,330? So let's take the bottom here, the bottom to the top. Okay, so that's the bottom to the top, and that's the 786 of the fib retracement. Just look at this, 786 of the fib retracement. Now get the clue here, get the clue. That's the first clue. The fractal that I told you is going to repeat, this one right here, okay, is almost the same as to this fractal potentially that was playing out. If you take this top to the bottom right over there, um, just a second, sorry, this bottom, I think, to this top, I guess, yes, to that top. So you can see that even this one went from the bottom to the top. Where did we retrace? To the 786, okay, 786. If you now take this bottom again to this high right over here, and that bear flag takes you where? To the 786. So you might actually be looking for the 786 and bounce off the 786, making a descending broadening wedge just like you did here. But this is all just my own thoughts about it. I don't know, I cannot see into the future. And the fractal that was playing here is the same fractal that might be just playing over here again. And then you start to go to the upside, and then you boom, you go to the upside to the $50,000. Do you get my point? And that's it for Bitcoin update, guys. I still believe 39,300 now is actually the real technical target of the bear flag. My calculation previously was a little bit off, but 39k is a technical target nonetheless. Okay, and we do have a nasty evening star on the on the weekly. We're looking really bad. Now that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you in the next one, but before that, if you want to learn trading the way I'm doing, you can check out my trading analysis course right over here, and you can pay 29 bucks. If you want to pay 29 bucks, join me in the Discord and message me on the Discord. Click my name, you're gonna find a messaging option, and I'm gonna tell you how to pay with 29 bucks. I love this.